So I just did a video and I didn't do the, hold on, we're gonna wait here for it to idle rough. There it goes, idling rough now. Sometimes it'll fall below 500 RPMs and then come back up. But it is sporadic. It isn't like it's timed every 30 seconds or every minute or so. It just randomly happens. So I'm not quite sure what it could be. But it is definitely happening. I'm just going to let it sit here for a second and see if I can catch it on video. There we go. Here it goes. Feel that? I can. So rough idle. Not the most obvious, but it is there. How it fell to 500 from about 600. Sometimes it falls below that. But again, it does coincide with the ticking noise. So I'm not sure what exactly it is. Again, my thoughts are exhaust manifold leak, a lifter, or possibly a timing chain stretch. I'm hoping it's exhaust manifold because it's the easiest of the three, but still, rough idle. There it goes again. Alright.